This is a tiger dragon design Zippo. I saw someone else in the community with this design. I've been eyeing it for a while, but once I saw it, like their actual pictures of it in hand, I knew I had to get it. Let's see what this baby looks like. Ooh, yin yang, dragon, tiger chasing each other. Both mouth open, really pretty. Kind of like a gold, you know, reflective look to it. Let's see in hand what this baby looks like. Pristine. Let's take off this baby. Okay. Set down. And let's do some target practice. I hate these stickers with a passion. There we go. And some target practice. I kind of set that hard. Not too good. Whatever. And now there's gunk all over my Zippo. We'll try to get that off there. Alright, let's get a look at her. You see there's still some stuff here. But beautiful Zippo. This is a 2022. Let's listen to it. Silence in the class, please. Beautiful Zippo, beautiful sound, beautiful animals on it. This is gonna go into my tiger section. I have a bunch of tiger Zippos now. There we go. Alright. Let's see some action. Okay, not a lot of action. And then tag and bag. You guys know the drill. A beautiful Zippo for sure. Great sound Zippo for sure. I can get this off. There we go. Beautiful, look at that. Signed, sealed, delivered. You're mine.